can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to be covering the drop list for Supreme Week 3. There is a lot of cool items in this drop list, some of which I'm actually going to be going for. There's a collaboration dropping this week, a couple collabs actually, if we're being honest. But if you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a fat like on this one. Let's see if we could get it to 150 likes. That definitely would mean a lot. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Also, click those post notification bells and comment what kind of videos you would like me to do on the channel. Don't forget to send me proof that you're subscribed to my Instagram for a chance to win one of these 3 Profound Aesthetics masks. The giveaway for these is gonna be ending on Thursday, and I will try to get some more for you guys, but make sure you send me proof that you're subscribed and you're automatically entered to win one of these 3 masks. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So for this list, we're gonna start from the top of the list and work our way down to the dookie pieces. We're gonna start with this Mophie power station. I feel like the fact that you could turn your car on with Supreme in itself is mind-blowing. There's a power station, a battery charger for your car that has Supreme on it. Oh my god! Wow! It's pretty crazy. I feel like this is actually gonna go for around 138 to 158. That's my thoughts on it. If you do know, Mophie and Supreme does normally collaborate to drop these power banks or like phone cases that are rechargeable. This is probably like the biggest item they've done so far, so it probably will retail pretty hefty. I feel like it will be worth it, and down the line people will want to buy this item. Retail is gonna be pretty steep, but once again, this item is clean, and if I did have the money, I would go for it this week. This is actually multi-use. You could plug stuff to it like an actual TV and shit, or you could turn your car on with it. This is definitely something cool to have in your car. Next up, we got the Vans collaboration. One of these items is cool, the other one not so much. The old schools are fire. Low-key, I've been waiting for them to drop a pair of old schools. I just didn't think it would be this right here. Honestly, I think it's okay, but I don't think it's the best work they've done. I would probably end up going for these in the black colorway. I don't know how I feel about the other colors, if I'm being completely honest. I'm not the type of person to wear a white upper with a black bottom. That just looks kind of weird in my opinion, but hey, if that's your cup of tea, go for it, bro. I feel like resale for these would mainly be in the cream colorway or the black one. Personally, I do feel like the black color will go first, and retail for Vans are normally around $98 to $110. Nothing over that price, so I feel like these will have profit margin to be made if people do decide to like them. I do like the old schools way more than the half cabs. The half cabs are so cheeks in my opinion. This is literally for people who want to skateboard, and I'm good on all that. I haven't skated probably like in 7 years, and this just isn't for me, bro. I feel like this reminds me of Elements, DCs, actual skateboard sneakers. Personally, I would stay away from it for resale. If you're buying it for the personal, obviously you buy what you want, but I definitely am a fan of the old schools way more than the half cabs. It's just not for me, bro. Not for me. It's cool, it's just not happening over here. Like, I'm good on all that. Old schools are cool though. The Fw20 logo keychain is definitely a vibe. I feel like I'm gonna end up going for the keychain because I want to put a new keychain on my car keys, and this would be perfect. It's not massive, it's not too small, it's just the perfect size. I would probably go for this in the black and white color or the red and white color. I do think all of them are pretty cool. Personally, I would just rather have the black and white to keep everything clean and simple. Huge fan of those. But next up, we got the Mcgrath Pop McGraw lipstick right here. There's a lot of girls posting about this, and I feel like these shits might end up selling out fast as shit, bro. Like, I don't know what retail is gonna be. It's probably $48 to $60, and low-key females are going crazy for these shits right here. The packaging for them is looking like it's A1. It looks like it's really high quality cosmetics going on right here. Girls are definitely gonna eat this one up, and low-key I'm gonna stay away from it so they could go ahead and do so. Females don't normally get recognition when it comes to Supreme, so this item right here, I'm gonna just back off a little bit and let them have it, if that makes sense. This is the first time they do like a makeup collaboration in a way. I'm gonna let them have that, you know what I mean? They deserve their own space. Like, next up we got this college logo short sleeve. This one's not bad, bro. I actually feel like this one's pretty hard, but I'm not paying top price for this shit. They low-key be trying to charge like $100, $60, $80 for a shirt. I'm good on all that shit. I do feel like it looks clean though. There's a bunch of different fonts in it and it just looks fire, bro. If I'm not mistaken, all the fonts are from a different college. I might be wrong, but that's just what I think it is. I feel like the pink shirt is fire. The black one is clean as well. Even that navy, bro, the navy is hard too. We do have this Penguins hooded fleece jacket. Normally when they drop fleeces, they go hard and resell is there. For this one, it's a little bit tricky because it has a hood on it. I'm talking about the fleeces that go up to here, like a little quarter neck fleece. I don't think this one will do that good. It doesn't really have any Supreme branding from what I can see. And quite frankly, bro, this shit is not doing it for me. This shit kind of fugly. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I low-key like penguins. Like, I went to this little art store and painted my own penguin. You feel me? Look at Mr. Penguin out here, but I'm not buying a Penguin Supreme piece. Like, that's just not happening, bro. I already made my penguin. I'm good on this penguin fleece, bro. It's not happening on this side. Like, I'm gooch on that shit. Shit is kind of dookie. Let's be realistic. We got this side logo track jacket and we got the pants as well. The track jacket's alright, bro. I feel like if retail is anywhere over like $200, this shit gonna sit. Like, there's nothing special going on with any of them besides this tie-dye colorway right here. All of them are kind of ass, bro. I feel like this is like an everyday jacket. You just hopped off the bus, about to go to work looking ass jacket. This shit is cool, bro. It's just not doing it for me. One thing that I am loving from this drop list is this textured small box logo crew neck. This one looks clean. It's like a different texture on the crew neck. It almost has like little ribbed stripes. It's hard to explain, but if you look super closely, I'm gonna try to zoom in up here for you. There's a Supreme spell out on the sides of the actual crew neck. It says Supreme. It looks fire. I just really love this piece. These small boxes go crazy. Normally I don't even go for them. That navy colorway, it goes hard. I would go for the white one, but the white one would get dirty so fast that it's almost pointless to buy it. You're gonna have to keep bleach in a cup next to you just to clean that bitch. Like, nah, we good on that. The black one and the navy are definitely my favorites. I do want to say that if you guys are interested in increasing your chances at buying Supreme every week, you should go ahead and check out Addictio. I feel like when it comes to buying Supreme, going manual is obviously good, but you should always want to have an extra boost at buying some of these pieces. I feel like Addictio has been cooking up this season. Obviously, they're not going to cook up for every single person every single week. That's just realistically not going to happen. They're bringing some crazy updates to Addictio, and they actually are going to restock on the 15th at 4:30 p.m. Pacific time. They are only going to restock literally like a handful of bots for you guys to buy, and after that, they're not going to restock for a super long time. They have been working behind the scenes on making the bot better, and they actually do cover 85 plus stores from Supreme, Kith, Bape Undefeated, Yeezy Supply, and a bunch more. The bot is like $130, but with my promo code, you can get it for 10% off. I would recommend you guys to just give it a look. Go ahead, go on their website, sign up for the newsletter, just check what they have to offer. I feel like you can go ahead and increase your chances at buying Supreme by checking them out. Click the link and see what's up with it, bro. You never know. You might end up liking it, copying it, and it might be good for you. But let's talk about these last few items and then get straight up out the building. We got the Penguins rayon short sleeve shirt. This one definitely does it more justice on the shirt rather than the jacket.
Boy, if you don't get...
I just feel like that fluffy shit going on is not doing it for me, and low-key, penguins overpower a piece. Like, all you see is penguins on this bitch. There's no type of branding. I don't see no spell out. I don't see one of the penguins saying Supreme. I don't see none of that, bro. I don't see it. I just don't see it, bro. I feel like this piece isn't gonna do too well, but then again, you really never know when it comes to Supreme, so like, who knows? Really though, who knows, bro? We do got this Paris camo beanie. I'm gonna have to go for this shit, bro. I don't know how it's gonna fit on my head. It's probably gonna feel like a yondom on my shit, but I don't know, bro. I need this shit. I feel like this beanie on a jacket or a hoodie, shit would have been killer, bro. This shit is so fire. I love every colorway in this one. The pink, the black. The only one that I'm kind of not a fan of is the actual camo, bro. I feel like it's too dull. You could probably wear that regular camo one with some Beef and Brock Tims. I'm good on that one. I like the blue camo and the gray camo the most. We got this contrast stitch Polo. The Polo is actually not that bad. I feel like I wouldn't wear this because honestly I never really wear polos. The last real times I wore polos was in high school, bro, and it's just not for me. Like, if I don't have to wear this shit, I'm not wearing this shit. It looks cool and all, like it's all good and dandy and shit, but this is dookie, bro. Let's be realistic. Like, I'm not wearing this shit. It's not touching my neck, bro. That collar is not touching my neck. I don't even like this shit. Like, what is the point of a polo, bro? It's either a button up or a regular shirt for me. Like, I'm not doing that in between shit. It's either you here or you there, bro. Like, pick a side. What's up? The black one is probably the only one that's alright. We got the Stay Positive short sleeve top. This one is cool, bro. It says Stay Positive all throughout it. There's a white one, a black one, and a red one if I'm not mistaken, and all of them are alright, but realistically, you're not paying $78 for this one when the regular tee that dropped for $38 was better than this shit. So like, it's pointless. I feel like this week is actually pretty decent. It's highlighted by the Vans collaboration, the lipstick, the Mophie piece. That's pretty much it, bro. There's a couple other pieces here and there that you could definitely go for, like the Fw20 keychain. That Paris beanie is fire, and that small box logo crew neck is actually a banger in my opinion. That pretty much does it for this video. If you did enjoy, slap a fat like on this one down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Also, let me know any video ideas that you have in the comments down below, and make sure to send me proof that you're subscribed for a chance to enter in this giveaway. It's gonna end on Thursday in the live cop, so make sure you go ahead and enter for a chance to win one of these free Profound Aesthetics masks. But without any further ado, man, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.